mo sorry I must say mine so mine na mad dey say na mo kakra na kume kra ne so no compare to if sesia ana if na asese wiase ana mado muchimo de ne say my chimo de obi betina no akase say my chimo de na mu konko di mutu na sa bana se mu kodi ana de mu na mu dwan mo so mo ntiase na mo kika say ma chimo di ma so to meet na say so betina se na be ma ebe breaking the heart na ti ade no nko ni nyonko ba eno nso ka ho
Nyami esheda ebo mema eni emma se ne be ya ombedi ehyiemu ama abapapa bi efriso abana ban se abofra ebe de ebe piemu ensusu no ebi mu ayomo se de bi ese de yakopon bo ni wiase no mo no de ebe sesen wiase no to omo own satisfaction na ni se emma ni ma be de ebe da ne mema so ni mema ayede ehyiemu na adefo asama beto me proso eneno eni se eya abayo bi efe ne Linda na nka owo ni kanchume bi ajoso ye oba ono susu ye fe ne Brenda ne se nka oni ni chiwe ne leki so modo mo katrama ewowa asie se ne sa na obeyi eto so akono hu se no adia mi ye de enya dia eboa mi Bible tia na yakopon so se bio da kwa ma nyame ba nya je obekọ heaven te ne wasacha na agen na ye na Brenda se da on tiasie ene wo so abayo mo ne wo brim na ni se wo brim ye na ma abayo Linda just what did na se makoto balawayo civil court se osro mo de ne hu e ba be jase ne be ya se Linda Brenda sorry e ba so ba be di ne mpabura o metumi aye de age no na be bi obefe bia na ya se Brenda e stokino Adofo asem de eni ni ginger pa yentino ma sheda to nsa from niaba ehia broni na me no apensempese ensemu jimre na me chame husuma Adofo so na me dinka eka ye no kamewe na ye ma me niaba ehia broni ba ko akwaba epia
amen
akoma ye
yakopon adom me ho ye
edi nyame ase epia ensem edi atrenchie ewo ewiase efa oba ni oba tese wo mo eda na se wo hwe da na sisiam se mi mpa biom na anye me pese mi sisiam me di me huma be ma na be ma ewimia we na nka ntokwa bi wo
what's about what is good for the goose is good for the gander. I say applicable baby. In a normal one, obemale oba have a relationship now. Oba le bia we na flow a relationship na flow also be sign. Say na ya mema no abuse a man. So also na kwakoye amom mo te say. O hwere say Brenda no. Ne do akwa kodi baby no anhwe ye be ile be conscience kwan bi obeya ma abayiwan betina no hu no obeya runti na ye all stalking e say ade ne mema ye nti ma wana o hwe se na akwa ya na say ono no akwa be ma o relationship nti akwa ne de ne kra ya ma fo edi ogum say ade ya nyi na obe free ne nche be de amane so wasa so nya foforo
na te sa baya no ni bibi ya le de
ai izi be de amane so nya foforo ne so chase no make sure so be ka wa man say nunti na we ba wa ya de say ode no ho akwakoma nkofo ku obi o metimi ai da
balawayo ko se
so metimi abo no na ya de bia mesiso se be ka lesbianism and some ya mesiso se Sebeya company closing down of offices ni na no pele the big fighter omo be the fighting against LGBT ewo omaimu emboa na beya ko creative centers mom omo wo mu omo peso mu pie fi mu yi omo nso betimi aba for ebia therapeutic section bia omenya psychologist bi obetimi no mind and therapist bi obetimi ne omo bon komo nanka and common they will have their own reformation and commit me free. Because me say do na person me dey move free. Do na no bia ya fa wo bia ya dey ya fa wo bia. Obi no ya trend obi so ya force na echo mo say what ya say. Into mo ye omo akoma wi afi dem person move free mu no. O create sentence bi say dey be boa. Now close it down of fairness office no be can try no close no we jaya dey say onye hwe o metime akwa kotua so e wo modem obu also a se na we aye obeso ofiri mu but we ankenye se ne amanfo aso we tietie asem yi o kasa kasa tia anko ontimi mpie ontimi emba publicly enko hye baby sa ankane dem ana obedi ntete ana aye dem so abema oba ade aso ni mu aso ni dem ana we ye dem obecho so what ya say ba ko kwaza for ogodwe ni nyongo ba o bibetu na so say na we le na bebe pie ha unti say na le na ye ka unti won so asem sa ene me ba fi oni ara be wa we tie ntem ene ba na be twu na de wa kwa wo hu unti
asa ko wo so ko bele
iti esre e mampeni a o maiga na mo say so opeso okun etia ade weria onye ni yie na me ka say na me ba eye memma mo wo eye Ghana hamse te shia sansem wo Ghana hamse ne enti epredepede ni na eye memma mo Ghana me de other countries o mo ye de Nigeria African countries and can they are being blinded by this crazy philosophy check mu Asian omo e kan be but me de me based on Ghana for memma omo ka ho na ye lesbianism any gayism na do also e wo man mu mo sorry am say man ni so ban na ma dey say na mo kakra na kumekra ne so na compare to if sesia ana if na asese wiase ana ma do mutrimo de ne say ma ye trimo de obi betina no aka say ma ye trimo de na mu konko di mutu na sa bana se mu kodi ana be de mu na mu dwan mo so mo ntia na mo kika say ma etrimo di ma so to meet na say so bet na be ma ebe breaking the heart na tiade no nko de nyonko ba eno nso ka ho so there are certain things we are failing to look at mo nyama bi da ya mo keke mo de to social media mo de chinchije eno aka ho na the perception that you create in the minds of people and then look at how things have become. Every woman wants to be married one way or the other. So what you say? Every woman wants to be married one way or the other.
Okay.
Now, Abani say now we are looking for great men to come into our lives. Now, they should prove themselves worthy enough. Now, they are remove. So now they are be removed. Be movie. Now, what be money more? Most perception that what would you and yeah, Obaye say, you know, the little doubt about being part of a relationship, no, you fail to give it to the relationship. Or who the future of the relationship. Into no better than social Hannah. I don't know what young Kubansu. And I met my creative or say, my dear, news by no into Bema Bisu to one say, Mamma back community to bomb at and then nyema on so ate say man for ka bia na be man no e yan cafe no oba a relationship oba from oba starting na brabo no but what information say na this is the perception the world has created about women. It is a say me no oba na ntina so oba be tete no oba be hamedia oba be hamedia and the other men pay me nyonko be ma na the chime fa mbo hosa. So what I say it is some of the perceptions be a creative and the silly philosophy we live by now and then obi who just on social media they don't also the two or not they start championing it that they have this kind of silly way of encouraging this kind of things and also we are failing to look at the other aspect of it. More so whatever happens we try to analyze the possible benefits of it. LGBT and it's yamra and Christian wise also and kutia Bible mumbra and the Muslimi for no so kutia or more added tremble or more teachings the we all agree say and but may share abroad for the side any the reason why they have accepted it and looking at the possible benefits of it and the advantage of it. Oba Ghana ham say orphanages are baby here mwapi ana nkofudu do na nisa abada here omo share omo peke amount from orphans kaka aware for oba kofa ne pepe be share pepe na ne do ba bedi abofa no pepe ba kokra kola but onya wo ne de pena nyama asesa odo a woma orphan no assistant so onya ne de but also most of the time the reason why they go for these kind of children is because they don't have one on their own. Okay. It's onya ne de pena for the that feeling of woma kola na so now was at maltreating in kola. But if you look at people that are best to bring up children lesbians they we for because they have no means of having the baby. Until almost keeping this particular one as their very own. But the effect of it on the child is most of the time, no, training the child in a way or take almost side mom as in the relationship on the falling under it, but on too many picking or no choice. So picking almost style of relationship they are fine, or picking the other ways to are they supported. But here in Ghana, no, we like to influence things and be a BCBA uba send a batty mutia mame or her. Send your tenants, 100% about those way, papa biso or send or tell into a relationship now. And then the problem here, there is a possibility say Ghana for say or peke we can say orphanages do na or money mame for money baby dana or more bread or honum na. Obekwa no oje mame no otewo ebiana head no otewo no oje offer nyema fi NGO no offer man kola no de ko ni fie nti mbozo na kola na bre nti ke beti sa bre no so
nti na no sa no wo kan de si wo di si ejen mu.
Maybe they see the possible benefits. I'm talking about the possible benefits on the whole thing.
Okay.
Yes, as in on the side of orphanages now commit me a coaching kolananka. Be a pressure war orphanages no aba from kakra. Now me sanso kaso no sanso AC the possible disadvantage on the life of the child, and all of it would depend on the so-called parents or the two parents. No, somebody I say.
Okay.
It's the parents no mature and say as you are growing up, you have your right to choose the kind of relationship you want to fall under. If you're a girl and you want to date a boy, that is fine. We support you. So what I say, if you're a boy, you want to date another girl, it's fine, we support you. But then I'm saying things are a bit different. Parents, they like their children to copy their style, their way of living. And I don't mean who they say it can bring a problem on the side of that poor little innocent child. Where Ebiana Kolane Yoba or person Konina can be falling for another guy and or go through the other channel of relationship, or the normal way or the expected way. But say where parents need to say now, but they influence and put pressure on the child so much so that Akolano ever sign on the way now if you are very easy or more kind of way. And any problem with it. I think that is the reason why we as Ghana, if we are going to consider the right of these people, I think this is what they are seeing. They are always coming out talking for their rights, looking out for a way for Ghana. Say, we legalize this whole thing. So me, I'm seeing it as if Ghana is to consider the possible right of these people, then they should look at the other effects of it as well. Among brother, mind that way, say almost share all other aspects and very problem or mind.
Yo, a pyramid so what can be na me and nay school why you want and never secondary schools ma lesbianism na aye there at ya pesipa e wo school mo hono mo e no Lydia man nipa like omunyini na so mo wie na wo mo entimi nye den free mo what's the effect in tia ma nkwada we mutimi yesa.
I believe discipline a problem. Ghana junior high any basic school ni mwami use basic school. Discipline is a different thing altogether. Where anya class discipline ano nya de ukra or classroom or back class or breaker or teacher or class teacher into class teacher our class all the time. But secondary school it's not the same thing. Or no, it's a different thing altogether. Yes, so class teacher is now class teacher no. So I say go also back now or no class teacher they be or finding themselves our staff room. How will discipline be maintained in the school? So I think if the secondary school aspect of so consider the normal structure or the disciplinary structure of the basic school, normal copia, it is going to help bring in more discipline into the schools. So now situations like this will be kept. Okay. And yes, we are going to have more problems.
Okay, me that's it pia. Na ya dem brano me say ayabe. Na sana me jawo amu akona di futuo e na wo edi emma wona wo edi wo ahye lesbian mo na say wo imagine say omo be ji wo afri sa suban we mu na omo partner no so ayiro mo tari se nya dia me pene ama wakono e die na wo ka e die
mechanism is Ghana so the way the laws has become, I don't know if anybody could report to say I'm a lesbian, but this is what I'm going through and I want to work out of it. That is why I catch a buy and say on creative visa, so that people like that can come out and then be confident enough to tell you their problems. But or back out. Now, because I'm a lesbian, but this is what I'm going through now. This is another person who will strengthen me and bring me all those kind of problems. I want to draw myself away from it. Yeah, sure, I can't only money now too.
Okay.
You understand? I know now I go among for whom dona or muntimi ambassador into Sabaya and Cabine on creative Bibisa air sentence or whatever bois is our microphone. More so the criticism never or many more adults. Okay. We should be let's stop living on the layman's perspective and think deeper into this kind of situation. Okay. It's a broad topic altogether. Let's try to be each other's keeper. Where among we will not go through something like that. It's also about criticizing the panel. You name say the one near near fanya at the church more and money pan rather than say about criticizing the panel.
Yo, but that sibe ye near a queer brony wakasa media na me ensure wakasa bebre na me ni say wo so wafa emu aba na do for asem me de me ho except me ni wo entry mpona bio na wo da wo stock me na wo boom ye no kwan so say Balinda echo report ye edema court se ne be ya o metimi abon ho ban anase enye se odi echo court. Now this time I want to make sure say go your YouTube channel. Take subscribe it for too much GA. Now I join channel for comment section watch your JF mama. Or for us follow on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter. Me a made and send every mono me din e the afia instrument. And that's the name your best Asia.